Welcome to Sync to Think, the channel where your inner world becomes the adventure. Have you ever felt like your body was asleep, but your mind was fully awake? Maybe you sensed yourself floating or even looking down at your own body. That strange and powerful sensation might have been an astral projection, a conscious out-of-body experience. In this video, we'll explore what astral projection is, how it works, what it feels like, and how you can try it yourself, safely and effectively. Let's dive in. What is astral projection? Astral projection is the experience of separating your consciousness, or astral body, from your physical body, allowing you to travel through different dimensions of existence. Some call it an out-of-body experience, or OBE. It's not just science fiction. Many cultures, religions, and spiritual practices around the world have described this phenomenon for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians, Buddhists, and shamans all described forms of spiritual travel. In modern times, some people experience it unintentionally, while others train their minds to reach it deliberately. Is it real? What science says. From a scientific perspective, astral projection hasn't been definitively proven, but thousands of people report vivid and consistent experiences. Neurologists believe it may be related to altered brainwave states, especially during REM sleep, deep meditation, or near-death experiences. Some research even shows that parts of the brain associated with spatial awareness are active during OBEs. Whether it's metaphysical or psychological, the experience feels absolutely real to those who live it. What does astral projection feel like? The sensations vary, but many report a few common signs: a vibrating or buzzing feeling, a sudden heaviness or lightness, feeling paralyzed but mentally alert. This is called sleep paralysis, floating above your bed, seeing your body from the outside. Some people feel like they're flying, some pass through walls, and others find themselves in surreal, dreamlike realms, or simply hovering peacefully above their room. Can anyone do it? How to start? Yes. With the right mindset and practice, many people believe anyone can learn to astral project. Here are the first steps for beginners. 1. Deep relaxation. Lie down in a quiet, dark room. Take slow, deep breaths and calm your body completely. The goal is to reach a body asleep, mind awake state. 2. Focused mind. Use a simple phrase like, "I will leave my body," or visualize yourself floating up from your body. Let all other thoughts fade away. Pure focus is key. 3rd, vibrational stage. Many report feeling strong vibrations or buzzing. Don't be afraid. This is actually a common sign you're close. Stay calm and don't move. 4th, exit technique. Visualize yourself climbing a rope, rolling out of your body or floating upward. These techniques help disconnect your astral body from the physical one. Most importantly, be patient. It can take days, weeks, or months. But every attempt strengthens the connection between your conscious mind and your inner self. Is astral projection safe? One of the biggest questions people have is this dangerous? The short answer, no. You're not leaving your body in a physical sense. You're shifting your awareness, your consciousness, into a different state. There's no evidence that you can be trapped outside your body. You always return. However, if you suffer from anxiety, trauma, or hallucinations, you might want to consult a mental health expert before trying deep altered states. Why try it? What are the benefits? Astral projection isn't just a cool trick. It can be a deeply transformative experience. People report greater self-awareness, reduced fear of death, deep emotional healing, vivid spiritual insights, creative breakthroughs. It's not just about floating, it's about discovering what you are beyond your body. Whether you're curious, skeptical, or already exploring altered states of consciousness, astral projection offers a window into the unknown. And the best part, you don't need anything but your own mind, just you, your breath, and the courage to dive deeper. If you're ready to explore, check out our upcoming videos where we'll guide you through beginner-friendly techniques in detail. And if you've already experienced astral projection, leave a comment and tell us your story.